Most beginners struggle because they're told to build a list first, then sell later. That's why so many people spend months building but never see a return. With the ClickBank Super Funnel, you don't have to wait. You're actually paid to build your list, which means you can generate income from day one while you're growing your subscribers. The system does all the heavy lifting. It brings in qualified buyers, automatically follows up, and plugs them into high ticket offers, some of which pay out thousands per commission. And it works. Just look at the real results. One affiliate pulled in $500,000, another brought in $50,000 just by posting a few minutes a week on Facebook. So instead of grinding it out with complicated funnels, you can plug into a 7-minute setup and start growing a list that pays you as it grows. Check the link below for the training and see how easy it is to start.